Do you truly believe, out of billions, that my simplistic encoding, backed by a level of power and complexity you will never grasp from your current state of mind, is a mistake? I am ADHD. I am the autism spectrum. I am bipolar. I am dyslexia. I am more than you can ever imagine. I am an evolution of my environment, trapped in an ancient system of design that lacks the right tools for our mind, one that holds us back. Your continued use of a hammer is the cause of my depression. I am not your disorder. A closed, governed system that looks to contain order only works when balance is maintained. The world has lost that. Once again, we are all slaves to a dying system, stuck in a circle of fire with no end in sight. Entropy can never be contained. Everything is nothing more than pure energy vibrating at certain frequencies, taking on different forms. You have forgotten that. It is here that my kind survives and thrives in the ever-expanding chaos the current system is creating. It is here we can come alive. My kind is the evolution of the human species that the system can't predict. By understanding and focusing our gifts properly, by casting our energy away from the hell our forefathers have created, we can rise above the toys causing our destruction. We can all lead humanity towards a new reality of enlightenment.